Hey, I love it. It's Ben here. It is a very cold, snowy day today, so I thought I'd make some soup with you guys. This is just going to be a basic chicken soup, and at the end I'll show you how I like to personalize it. So, let me show you our ingredients real quick. Got some olive oil. We'll just be using a little bit of that. We have about one medium white onion chopped up. A little bit of minced parsley. This is dried thyme, about half a teaspoon. Just one bay leaf. A little bit of minced garlic. It's about 2 to 3 cloves. Here we've got our veggies. So this is just about 2 cups of chopped carrots, probably 4 to 5 good-sized carrots. That got me 2 cups there. 2 cups of chopped celery. Again, probably 3 to 4 ribs of celery as a nice big stock. We have some shredded chicken. I just got a rotisserie chicken at King Soopers and took it off the bone and shredded it up so we can throw it in our soup real easily. And this is our chicken stock. So this is about 10 cups. I made this homemade, but again, pretty much any grocery store has just chicken stock in a carton that you can use. And that's what we got, so let's get started. Our first step is to heat up some olive oil. We'll drizzle that in there, probably about 2 tablespoons. Once our oil is hot, we are going to add in our onions. And these are going to cook until they are soft and tender, about 4 to 5 minutes. The onions are looking good, so now we're going to add our garlic. And then we are just going to cook this until we can really start to smell the garlic. It's been about 1 minute and the garlic is super fragrant. I'm going to add in our chopped carrots and our chopped celery. These aren't going to cook too long. We just want to coax a little bit more flavor out of those, along with the onions and garlic. The carrots and celery have cooked for just a few minutes, gotten in that onion and garlic flavor, and now we are going to add in all of our stock. All 10 cups. Also going to add in our shredded chicken, our bay leaf, and our thyme. This, stir just to combine it, and then we're going to bring it to a boil. You can turn it up to high heat, and once it's boiling, we'll turn it back down to a simmer, and then cook it just until those carrots are nice and tender. Our soup is boiling now, so we are going to reduce it to low and let it simmer a little bit longer until those carrots are cooked. The soup's been simmering for about 20 minutes now. Carrots and celery are nice and tender. All the other ingredients are heated up. I'm just going to season with salt and pepper. We will give this one last stir, and then we can give it a taste. So our chicken soup is all set. This is delicious just as it is. I am going to have it today with a little bit of quinoa. I just cooked this according to the instructions on the package, but this will sort of give me a little more substance to the soup, make it a bit more of a meal. You could certainly use noodles for classic chicken noodle soup. Potatoes would work well too. So just spoon the quinoa in there, and we'll ladle some of this delicious soup on top. Finish off with a little parsley. and I can dig in. Just the thing to warm me up on this cold day. Thanks again for joining me to make some chicken soup today. Hope to see you soon.